This is Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 10, Review, How to Win at Fire. Hey Takuma, you look busy. What are you reading? Oh, hi, Aiko. I'm reading a book about personal finance. I want to learn how to save money and earn more in the future. I always spend too much. I want to save too. Do you have any tips? Yes, one important idea is compound interest. It means you earn interest on your money and also the interest from before. So your money grows faster over time. Wow, that sounds powerful. I want to try that. Where do you keep your money? I have a savings account and also a small investment in the stock market. I don't know much about the stock market. I'm a little scared. That's okay. You can start small. Do research first and stay out of debt. Have you heard of FIRE? Fire? Like burning fire? No. FIRE means financial independence, retire early. Some people save a lot and invest, so they don't need to work anymore by their 40s. I want to be free like that too. You can do it. Just start saving every month, avoid debt, and learn about compound interest and investing. Thanks, Takuma. Let's fire up our lives together. Okay, good job.